Hello traders, welcome back to the indices scalping series. First, let's talk about yesterday's trade. After sweeping the previous day's low, US 30 gave a strong rejection. My plan was to take 3 trades of 0.30 lots each with a very small stop loss. By mistake, I entered with 0.03 lots. Because of that, my profit was not very big. Once the trade reached a 1:11 risk to reward, I booked my profit. At the same time, I also had a trade running on Nasdaq. I was planning to hold it as a swing trade, but after the market reached 1:1 risk to reward, it reversed. So I decided to close it at break even because there was an inducement of equal loss below. So let's take a look at today's market. The high time frame analysis remains the same on the monthly and weekly charts. On the daily time frame, however, we can see an SMT between US 30 and Nasdaq. After both swept their equal lows, US 30 has already made a strong move, but right now it is trading above the true day open and the New York open. And according to the rule, we always look for bias below the true day open. On Nasdaq, there is a very clean breaker block which makes me more interested in looking for buy setups and the most important thing for today is that President Trump is scheduled to speak a high impact news event. So during that time I will make sure to move my stop loss to break even. Let's see how the market reacts. So guys, it is really sad news for me. Damn, I was waiting for a Nasdaq to come down to the true day open, but unfortunately the market gave an expansion right from the breaker block tap. On top of that, the news also pushed the market in the bullish direction. This could have been a 1:20 scalp trade that I missed. Honestly, I should have opened a small position right at the breaker block itself, but anyways, I stuck to my rules. The good thing is that the market has now tapped into the daily bearish breaker block and the fair value gap. So tomorrow if everything forms at the right time, we might be able to play the accumulation, manipulation and distribution phases. That's it for today video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can don't miss the next update.